Hello friends, now today moves toward the new topic megasporogenesis and development of female gametophyte. Now what is megasporogenesis? It is the process of formation of four haploid megaspore from the diploid megaspore mother cell after meiosis. That is called as a megasporogenesis. Again, what is megasporogenesis? It is a process of formation of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell after meiosis. That is called as a megasporogenesis. Where this process takes place? This process takes place within the nucellus. The nucellus is made up from the diploid mass of parenchyma cell. The cell which is present centrally, that is located toward the microbial site, which act as a megaspore mother cell. Of course, megaspore mother cell is a diploid. What happens? It produces the four linear tetrads of haploid megaspore, but require the process meiosis. Process is required the meiosis. That is called as a megasporogenesis. Now, further, how the development of female gametophyte takes place? The process starts, no doubt, from the diploid megaspore mother cell. The process of meiosis takes place. Then it produces the linear tetrads. That means there is a formation of four haploid megaspore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what's happened later on? These linear tetrads, out of the four haploid megaspore, 3 megaspores which are degenerated. 3 मेगास्पोर जे असतात ते डिजनरेट होतात. ते जनरली कोणत्या बाजूला असतात तर दे आर प्रेझेंट टुवर्ड द मायक्रोपायलर साइट and the functional one, remaining one, which is called as a functional megaspore. 4 megaspores आहेत, त्यापैकी वरचे 3 काय होतात? डिजनरेट होतात. मग आता कोणत्या साइडचे डिजनरेट होतात? ऍक्च्युली द मायक्रोपायलर साइट. आणि सेंट्रल कडे असणारा जो काही मेगास्पोर आहे तो शिल्लक राहतो. हा जो शिल्लक राहतो, द रिमेनिंग मेगास्पोर, that is called as a functional megaspore. What it called it? It is called as a functional megaspore. This megaspore, that is functional megaspore, is the first cell which produces the female gametophyte. Number of times the question is asked in the examination, which cell produces the female gametophyte? The answer is the functional megaspore produces the female gametophyte. How the further development takes place? This functional megaspore divide thrice, 3 वेळेस. काय होतं? मायटॉटिक डिव्हिजन. या ठिकाणी कुठेही मेयोसिस होत नाही. इथं तुम्हाला मायटॉसिस नावाची फर्स्ट मायटॉसिस डिव्हिजन इज ऑकर. रिमेंबर दिस. फर्स्ट मायटॉसिस होतं. फर्स्ट मायटॉसिस झाल्यानंतर या न्यूक्लियाईचं फ्री डिव्हिजन होतं. फंक्शनल megaspore nuclei divides first mitosis to form the 2 haploid nuclei. Same the case, 2 haploid nuclei. Secondly, mitosis takes place and to form the 4 haploid nuclei. Then third, again mitosis takes place and there is a formation of 8 haploid nuclei. Remember this. In this way, in the first nucleus of the functional megaspore divide firstly mitotically to produce the 2 haploid nuclei. Again, these 2 haploid nuclei freely divided into the secondary mitosis takes place and to produce the 4 haploid nucleus. And again 4 haploid nucleus thrice mitosis or third mitotic division takes place to form the 8 nucleate structure. Now 8 nucleate structures, 8 nuclei, later on what's happening? Out of these 4 present at upper pole, 4 nuclei are present toward the lower pole. Out of these 4 nuclei from each pole, 1 nuclei is migrated in the center to form the 2 polar nucleus, or this is called as a secondary nucleus. Remember these things. And remaining 3 cells which are present toward the 3 cells which are present toward the chelazolane, which produces the antipodal cells, while group of 3 cells which are present toward the micropylar side, which act as a egg apparatus. Egg apparatus made up of 2 different types of the cell. Centrally large cell, which is called as an egg cell, that plays an important role in the fertilization and formation of zygote after the fertilization process. And lateral 2 smaller cells are present either side of the egg cell, which is called as a synergid cell. Remember this thing. That synergid cells containing the hair-like projection, hair-like structure, that is called as a filiform apparatus. Remember this thing. What is filiform apparatus? The synergid cell shows the hair-like structure, that is called as a filiform apparatus. That synergid cell plays important role to entry to the pollen tube inside the embryo sac. The method of development of the female gametophyte. The method of development of the female gametophyte in the angiosperm is described as the monosporic. What is mono? Mono means single. Sporic means spore. The development of the female gametophyte takes place from the single megaspore. So it is called as a monosporic type of development. Remember this thing. What is monosporic type of development? It is the method of development of female gametophyte from the single haploid megaspore. That is called as a monosporic type of development. Remember this thing. And all the development of the female gametophyte takes place within the megaspore, functional megaspore. So it is called as a endosporous. Remember these things. Monosporic, endosporous type of development commonly found in case of the angiosperm. Now we are studying the mature embryo or female gametophyte. The mature embryo or female gametophyte is 7 cell and 8 nucleate structure. Remember this thing. If you are count the number of cell is a 7 cell. Remember these things. The cells are 7. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the one 7 cell. Remember this thing. Why? 8 nuclei are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That means the embryo sac or female gametophyte is 7 cell, 8 nucleated, monosporic, endosporous type of development. Endosporous type of female gametophyte. This is very important points to remember how the female gametophyte is. Female gametophyte is a 7 cell, 8 nucleated, monosporous, monosporic, endosporous. Remember this thing. The female gametophyte is also colorless. How it is? Colorless, endosporic, and is concealed in ovule, protected within the ovary. Protected within the ovary. This is the description about the development of female gametophyte. Let's recap on the points. First point we are studying megasporogenesis. Simple definition: the process of formation of haploid megaspore from the diploid megaspore mother cell by the process of meiosis. This is the simple definition of megasporogenesis. Remember this. Where this process is occurred, this process takes place in the nucellus. One of the nucellus cells act as a megaspore mother cell. That cell present near to the micropyle toward the central side. That cell performing the function of further development. Now actually the development of female gametophyte. Female gametophyte start from the diploid megaspore mother cell. First it is divided meiotically. Meiosis is happened and there is a formation of linear tetrads. Next point, out of these 4 haploid megaspore, 3 megaspores are degenerated, which are present toward the micropylar side, and centrally located megaspore remains. That haploid remains megaspore is called as a functional megaspore. Functional megaspore is the first cell which produces the female gametophyte. The functional megaspore thrice-free mitotically division takes place and it produces the female gametophyte. The first free nuclear division takes place in the first mitosis to produce the 2 nuclei. Then these 2 nuclei again, secondly, mitosis takes place to produce the 4 nuclei. And thirdly, mitotic division takes place and to produce the 8 nuclei. Remember these things. This is the very important things. 8 nuclei are present. Out of these 8 nuclei, 4 nuclei present towards the upper pole and 4 nuclei present toward the lower side or lower pole. What's happening in the next point? Out of these 4 nuclei from each pole, 1 nuclei are migrated toward the center, to form actually the secondary nucleus, also called as polar nucleus, also called as a definitive nucleus. This is the 3 names. Remember this: secondary nucleus, polar nucleus, definitive nucleus. What's happening? There are 3 cells are remaining at each pole. These 3 cells, the group of 3 cells which is present toward the chalazal side, they produce the antipodal cells. While the group of 3 cells which are present toward the micropylar side, they are produces the egg apparatus. Remember this. Egg apparatus is composed of 2 different type of the cell. One large cell is present, which is called as a egg cell, and 2 lateral smaller cells are called as a synergid cells. Remember this thing. The synergid cells show the hair-like projection, that is called as a filiform apparatus. And filiform apparatus plays a role to give the entry to the pollen tube inside the embryo sac. Now, this method of development of female gametophyte takes place from the single haploid male megaspore, single haploid megaspore. The process is called as monosporic type of development, and the developmental process takes place within the megaspore, so it is called as a endosporous. Lastly, the mature type of female gametophyte or embryo sac is containing 7-cell 8 nucleated structure. 7-cell and 8 nucleated structure. Remember these things. And the mature embryo sac or female gametophyte is colorless, endosporous, and conceived within the ovule, and you know the ovule is enclosed by the ovary. Got the points? Okay, thank you very much.